User Analytics for Drive Focus provides you with reports on your clients' or students' performance. The information allows you to target your coaching. After logging into User Analytics, you will select a client's name to review their performance. The table is a great way to view their overall performance at a quick glance. The right column is the list of the 11 critical items. The next column tells you how many of the 11 critical items appeared in the videos that the user played. For example, there were 74 scenes where the vehicle in front used either a turn signal, brake lights, or both. This column shows you the percentage of time your client clicked on the critical item. I can see from the red boxes that my client is having difficulty recognizing pavement markings, such as crosswalks and turn lanes. He is also having difficulty identifying regulatory signs. However, he is doing very well at identifying stop signs and other items in green. I can use the training section of the Drive Focus app to coach him about pavement markings and regulatory signs, what to look for and why they are important. I can instruct him to continue to use the same Drive Focus tour and see if his scores improved after coaching. I may hold off coaching on the yellow items until I see improvement on the red items. This column shows the percentage of time that the user identified the most critical item first when there were multiple critical items present at the same time. Anytime a critical item requires the driver to change speed or lane position, it is the most critical item. Our last column is the user's reaction speed in percentage. The time in the video when the critical item first appears and when it is no longer visible is considered a 100% of the time. If the critical item is present for 20% of the scene when the user clicks on it, their time in percentage would be 80%. In our table, the user identifies pedestrians and bicyclists at an average speed of 59%. That means on average pedestrians and bicyclists were visible in the scene for 41% of the duration before the user clicks on it. The higher the percentage, the faster the user's response. When you want to assess progress over time, you can indicate a time period that you want to view. For example, you can enter the week before you gave instruction and the week after and compare the two tables. Another way to track progress is to assign one tour at a time, assess how they are performing, provide instruction on areas that they need more help, and then select a different tour. You can compare the results of the previous tour with the one after your instruction. Researchers, you will want to take advantage of this export function. This will export a .csv file that can be used in a statistical software package. The interpretation of the headings from the exported data can be found in the user guide. Ready to get started on User Analytics? Log in or create an account from the Drive Focus website. User Analytics is accessed from the Drive Focus website, not the Drive Focus app. The user guide provides the easy 2 steps required for your client to start sharing their scores with you. Target your training with the help of User Analytics for Drive Focus.